Hey guys, so I got my iPhone and I'm so excited and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So I'm gonna tilt this down. There's Cracker Jacks here. Okay, so we're just going to... Oh, that was harder than I thought it was gonna be. Ow! Probably shouldn't be cutting against me. Well, okay. So good. Okay. So the phone I got is the I don't even know which one I got, to be honest. The XS Max, I believe the 256, yep, 256, and it is the gold one. So let's unbox it. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Throw that over there, okay. And we have paperwork, cool. Oh my God, it's so big. Got our stickers. Hey, Dad! Came with the SIM card ejector finally. I know some people get them, but I have never gotten one. And I got one this time. Very exciting. And then of course there's instructions. So let's take this guy out. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Sorry, you guys couldn't even see that. This is, like I said, the iPhone XS Max gold version. And the gold is a beautiful gold. And the screen is big. The size of it is big compared to my old phone. Yeah, I have the 10 and this is the XS Max. I think I've said XS Max like 5 times throughout this entire video. Comes with a charging brick, earpods, and no dongle. Yeah, it didn't come with the little adapter for the 3mm jack. No dongle, but comes with headphones and a lightning cable. So let's undo this, put you guys close. Oh, I love that sound. Okay, so let's turn her on. I'm like shaking, I'm really nervous. Not nervous, but just really excited. Okay, the case I got for it, I'm gonna go get a different case. This was just for the time being. This is a casemate case in sheer crystal. And yeah, it's just a clear case with some glitter on it. So yeah. Ooh. Okay, wait, I need to take out the SIM card from here. I know how to use this. Okay, so, man, oh man. My, oh my, me, oh my. Whoa! Take my SIM card out and use. Oh, wrong way. Oh. Okay, and then we're going to put the new SIM card. I'm like shaking, I'm so excited. Why does it say no SIM card? Is this, I'm just, I don't know. Okay. Okay, it's in. Are you gonna work? It's working. Yeah, I have a phone. Okay, we're gonna put the SIM card back. Put the SIM card ejector back. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put on the case now. Just gonna pop it in. Okay. Take off that. Okay, so just got back from the Sprint store. I don't actually have Sprint, I just go there for the accessories. Well, that's just where I went this morning before my phone got here. I went there to look for cases and I found this super cute case. Wow, the lighting's really blue. There we go. It's a super cute like crystal case from Casemate. As you guys saw, I had a different case, but I think I like this one better, so I might return the other one, or I might keep it just so I can switch them out. But yeah, I came back from there. I got a screen protector, and there's a little bit of bubbles, but you know, that's to be expected. And then this case, like I said.